In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create nested multi-columns in Notion. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to build more complex layouts inside your pages using toggles, columns, and a handy template button so you can reuse your structure whenever you like. Let's start inside any Notion page where you want to build your layout. First, click into an empty line and type /toggle. From the menu that appears, choose the toggle block. This toggle is going to act as a container for your nested columns so you can open and close the whole section with a single click. You can rename the toggle right away to keep things organized. For example, you might call it Nested Columns Layout or anything that makes sense for your workflow. Next, click inside the toggle so your cursor is indented within it. This is important because whatever you create here will live inside that toggle. Now type /column. You'll see options to create multiple columns. Select how many columns you'd like to start with, for example 2 or 3. Notion will automatically split that area inside the toggle into the number of columns you chose. At this point, you've created your first level of nested columns. You can repeat the same process inside any individual column to nest even further. Just click inside one of the columns, type /toggle again to create a new toggle within that column, then type /column inside that new toggle to create another set of columns. This stacking is what gives you the nested multi-column effect. Now, to make this reusable, we'll turn it into a template. Click below your layout or on a new line and type /template. Select the option to create a template button. Give your button a clear name, like Insert Nested Columns. Then drag and drop the main toggle that contains your whole nested column structure into the template button's content area. This tells Notion that every time you click the button, it should duplicate that entire layout. Finally, rename anything that still has a generic label and follow the on-screen prompts from Notion to adjust details like the button name or description. Once you're done, test it by clicking the template button. You should see your nested multi-column setup appear instantly, ready for you to fill with content.